We have a Cuddle Bears like thing that was donated.
A book and bear.
A book and bear, which is so cute. And then we have a lot of these Cuddle Bears, which are so cute. I love them. And over here we have the bins of stuff.
This is where like all the magic happens. This is what makes Team Cure Team Cure.
Exactly. So over here we have all of our girl toys. Like we have like our stereotypical girl toys. It's mostly pink in here. We have like journals, blankets, Littlest Pet Shop toys, and just like typically girly things. And then we have typically boy things, like Fortnite toy and like some toy cars. And then we have teenage items because we also include teenagers in our packages. And we have like sleeping masks, keychains, pillows, stuff like that. And then here's like a
gender neutral.
Yeah, like a mixed bin. And we just have like random toys in there. Over here we have board games. We have like things.
This is for like our holiday boxes.
Yes, for our holiday boxes, which are I'm very excited to send out.
Yeah, it's my favorite time of year to send out packages.
That is very true. It is awesome. Then we have our crafts and our coloring supplies, which I also love. And then a box of stuffed animals with these. I love these types of stuffed animals. They're so small, they fit perfectly in the boxes, and they're so cute. Then we have sensory stuff. We have like this stress ball. We have like Play-Dohs. We have slimes, more stress balls, and stuff like that. And then over here, we have a bunch of self-care items. We have like stuff like toothbrushes. We have Tide sticks. We have nail polish. We have like lip balms. We have lotions, soap,
bath bombs,
anything,
everything.
bath bombs, just stuff to make your hospital stay easier. And then we have these headbands, which we have a lot of.
Graciously donated.
Thank you, Headbands of Hope and Girly Made Things. And then over here we have a bunch of socks from Socksmith. Gracious donation, thank you very much. And then we have tummy drops from the Tummy Drops company, which we also love. Down here we have like stuff that wouldn't fit in the like things. We have a donation from Five Below, which we have a bunch of board games. We have calendars, which we need to send out. We have Cuddle Bear books and more of these Cuddle Bear like bear and book things. We have blankets, we have these like blocks. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you got a good insight as to what it's like to run Team Cure.
Please subscribe to our channel
And donate.
Donate, link below. Our Instagram is at team.cure and then what's our Facebook?
Team Cure.
Team Cure. So follow us on all our handles, link below, all of that. So see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace out.